Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to create a Threads account. Threads is attached to Instagram, so it's pretty much kind of like Twitter or X, but it's on Instagram. Okay, so we're gonna click. I've already downloaded it, so I'm gonna click the Threads app. And usually, if you're already logged into Instagram on your phone, it already shows that you have it already pretty much logs you in. And then it asks you if you want to keep the same profile. You can change anything that says import from Instagram. You click that. Then you press next. And do you want it to be public or private? I don't really, doesn't matter. And then join Threads. Would you like to get notifications? Allow. And see, it's like pretty much kind of like Twitter a bit. You can like stuff and comment with GIFs, pictures, or a voice note. That's pretty cool. And a poll. You can follow anyone. That's pretty much it. And this is your profile. I just made mine, so. And then if you go to Instagram, you can see that now it has your Threads account in your bio. And when people click it, it just takes them right to Threads. So back to Instagram, your Threads account. If you want to remove it, you just show Threads badge or not. You just click it off and then press done. And now it doesn't show it. That easy. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope that it helps you in any way. If it has, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.